But I'll show you what's going on the endoscope. It's right on the collector merge of the primaries. Top left there. You can see it bubbling. See if I can get a stitch on it. Alright, so BBK Shorty's failed collector weld after 8 months. Put in a set of catless Doug Thorley long tubes. You can see the factory Y-pipe restriction there. Huge flat spot underneath the ZF 8-speed tranny, and obviously catalytic converters. But here's the first start 3 days after chipping away at night installation.